Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do 3D camera shake effect in Capcut. So if that is something you guys are interested in or you do want to learn how to do, stick around for the rest of the video. Now firstly, you'd need to launch Capcut and click on new project to add your images to Capcut. So once you've added your image, you would then need to of course delete the end screen, and then you'd simply need to change the format to 9:16 and zoom to fit the screen, and you'd need to do this for all the images that you've added. So once that is completed, you'd simply need to tap on one of the images and then you'd scroll across until you see styles, which is right beside remove background, and you'd need to click on it, then click on camera shake effect, and you need to do this for all the images, and the generation process might take a bit. So that's pretty much what you need to do for all the images, and that's pretty much how you'd go about doing 3D camera shake effect in Capcut. Now you can pretty much customize this and add your own little kinks to it if you wanted. Now that's pretty much the end of the video. So if you guys found this video useful or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.